Hello again. Welcome back to another SFM tutorial. This time I'll be talking about how to use locks. Once you know how to use locks, they are incredibly useful to use. So what I'm going to do first is load in a FNAF model. I'll use this Toy Bonnie model. First, position your model in a way you like. But I'm also going to show you how to resize a model. To change the scale of a model, first right-click Root Transform on a model, then press Set Scale Control to Model. Once you have done so, a bar should appear saying Root Transform Scale. Pull this up and the model will grow or shrink. That was just something I had trouble with when I first began SFM. To use locks, first load in something you want your model to hold. I'll use this guitar. Then, position it so your character is holding it. Once it's positioned, you'll notice that even though it's holding the guitar, it doesn't move with the arm. Next to the root transform for the guitar, there is a checkbox. Click and drag the limb you want to attach to the item into the checkbox, and it should become a padlock. Then, when you move the limb, the item should move with it. That's how to use locks then. Thanks for watching. I hope this helped.